Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stacey here. Today I'll be trying a Bantu knot out. I've never done this before, so it's my first time. And if you want to see the entire process, keep watching till the end. So to begin, I'm just going to part my hair in front for no particular reason. I just want to focus there and show you guys how I do it. And for the back, I'm not going to bother about the lines being perfect. What I do is section out the part I want to work with and then spritz some water on it, then apply my Bantu curl activator cream. So I'm just going to keep twirling the hair around my fingers, and then I'm going to use one hand to fold it over a bit and then use the other one to keep wrapping it around the hair. You want to make sure the roots are not too tight, because as you're adding the hair underneath, it's gonna make the roots tighter. Yes, the process again one last time. Spritz water to my hair, and I also add the Bantu curl activator cream and just massage it into my hair while trying to detangle my hair. You want to make sure you're doing this on completely detangled hair, so I'm going to use a comb to do that properly. And after that, you just continue twirling and wrapping the hair just like this. My entire hair is done and it's time to go to bed. So it's been 2 days and it's time for me to finally take down the knots. First, I apply almond oil to my palms to reduce friction, and taking down the knots was pretty hard for me at first. I couldn't figure out how to untie those knots, and later as you'll be watching, you'll see that I finally figured out how to take it down easily. This hair here is a little bit damp, so I know there's going to be a lot of frizz in this part. So I finally figured out how to take down the knots easily. I just hold the tip of it and then twirl it in the opposite direction. And it came out so easily for me, and I'm repeating the same thing. So when it comes to separating, I like to separate a lot so that I can have volume, because I have fine hair. So I will just keep separating a little bit so that I can enjoy the volume. I'm gonna have some frizz, but I don't mind because I prefer the volume. For a bonus, I'll be doing a cute little style. I'm going to take a little portion of the front of my hair and create a Bantu knot, and then just go ahead and add some hair accessory to it. Let me know in the comments box below if you're going to try this style. Right now, I'm just using a bobby pin to secure the accessory. And thank you guys for watching till the end. Comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Bye.